Okay guys, this is gonna be my last video because my phone is broken. My dream is to live stream. Even though I don't know how to end the live stream. Leave the answers in the comments. And this is my last video. The ball pen that my classmate gave me. And yes, I'm drawing in my phone. And then I'm drawing it. I realized this trick. I know how to make a perfect circle now. Okay, so goodbye guys.